Hi, I'm Nikki from Find Me Crafting. Have you ever had one of those days where someone you care about is just having a rough day? They might be sick, they've gotten bad news, they have a stressful test coming up, they've had a breakup. Those are times that call for a little bag of sunshine. You can customize them for anybody, and the only criteria is that the things in them have to be sunshiny yellow. You put them in a bag, attach this adorable free tag I have on my site, and tie it with some ribbon, and you're ready to go. It's a way of telling someone, I love you, and you are not struggling alone. Come on, I'll show you how. First thing to do is head to the store and stock up on useful, fun, yellowy things. I love to make up a bunch of these all at once, so I have them on hand when I need them. Or have the supplies on hand so you or your kids can make one up fast when someone needs a little sunshine boost. It can be quite fun to walk into a store for the sole purpose of seeking out yellow things. You'll be surprised by how many you find. And if you have a small child with you, it can be quite the game. There's a list of some of my favorite items to include on my website. Putting one together is quick and easy. Just arrange your yellow items in a cellophane bag so that they look cute and you can see them all. This takes a bit of shuffling and rearranging. Tie off the bag with some ribbon and the sunshine tag with a hole punched in the top, and voila, ready to gift. I have one final step that keeps your ribbon from fraying. I use a lighter to quickly and lightly burn the ends of my ribbon after I cut them. Now you're ready to hand out a little sunshine. Happy crafting!